When you make your artwork, you'll need to consider what surface texture will convey the feeling you're after in each area of the piece you're making, and choose the abrasives and texture or grind pattern accordingly. In this exercise, you'll experiment with selecting abrasive types and grind patterns to suggest various materials, elements, and movements.
The other thing that makes a difference on the order of grind as you start using color, in most cases you'll be grinding the areas for the hotter colors first, and then progressing from there after each heat and grinding the next areas for the next cooler color. There's times when you can grind everything at once as well, and so there's always that decision to make about what strategy you're going to use.
I'm developing a comprehensive online course to help you learn and master the fundamental skills so you're confident, capable, and innovative making heat-colored steel engravings in your own artistic style. I'm still working on the course, but in the meantime I've put together a guide that introduces the exact steps I use to make heat-colored metal wall art for individuals, corporations, and public art commissions.